I welcome you back in One in All YouTube channel. This is day 7 on top row. Today I will teach you to type the remaining two character, that is or alphabet of the top row, that is T and Y. First you have to place your fingers on the home row, that is left hand on AFDF and right hand on semicolon LKJ. Then if you notice notice the T, you have to type T with your forefinger, that is moving slightly towards the right side, that is type T by moving your forefinger slightly towards the right side. And you can type Y by moving your forefinger more slightly towards the left side. Why? So your exercise for day 7 is you have to type Q space bar W space bar E space bar R space bar T space bar R space bar on right side, P space bar O space bar I space bar U space bar Y space bar U space bar. You have to repeat it for at least 1 hour so that you will become a perfect on the top row. I will again type and show you. So you have to type Q W E